Nabi alayhi salam, the messenger of God, is saying that this Friday prayer is a wajib. That's your obligation during my life and even after my death. And those who miss Friday prayer intentionally, they are able to make it, but they get lazy and they don't make it. The Prophet is very upset of these people, and he says they are depriving themselves from blessing of God, and their salat is not salat, and their position is not a position that likes by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let us remember that the Prophet made this statement that Salatul Jum'ah is wajib. So encourage our family members, our sons, our daughters, everyone to participate in Salatul Jum'ah. Allah